Good morning. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial, really quick tutorial, how I do beef jerky. You marinate the eye round slice to whatever thickness you want. You marinate it overnight, 24 hours. I use Sweet Baby Ray's sweet teriyaki or honey teriyaki. Dilute it just a little bit so it'll penetrate more. Add a little bit extra Asian seasoning for the teriyaki. Over here, I have a very small batch of steak seasoning that I marinated with the eye round overnight. So basically on this side is where you put it on top of paper towels. You pat it, you season it, then you put it over here, ready to go on the smoker. I normally smoke it between 70 and 80, or 170 and 180 degrees until it bends and it starts cracking. Usually it's about 4 hours and it turns out really good. All right, let's get it on the smoker. All right, the jerky's on the smoker. 167, so because I got it open, it's gonna be about 170 to 180. All right, night. All right, here we go. This is the end product. On this side, we have steak flavored jerky, smoked to perfection. And on this side, on the right side, we have the teriyaki, sweet teriyaki jerky. This is before I actually cut them up in bite-sized pieces. And the next video will show an end result of how I cut them up and bag them and sell them and sometimes give them away. Oh yeah, baby. And here's the final product. This is the teriyaki, and that's the steak seasoning. This is how I bag them. Normally they're about an ounce and a half each bag for this size. And then of course I have larger sizes for roughly about 2.5 to 3 ounces of jerky. I didn't weigh these. These are just going to my niece and nephew. They do love the jerky, so they get a little surprise tonight when I go have dinner with them. But there you go. That's the end result. Cut up in nice little pieces, bite-sized pieces, ready to be packed and sold. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you like my videos, subscribe. All right. Big Will from Weber Barbecue out. Until next time, America.